Why does Joomla bother with keeping up with the latest PHP versions? Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 281 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them, update them. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. All right, let's turn our attention to the screen and let's get talking about why Joomla bothers to keep up with the latest PHP versions. Now, there's a bunch of reasons for security. Older versions aren't supported any longer, but let's talk about speed. This is an article that's created a bunch of buzz. Kinsta.com, link in the description below, every year does a test of PHP benchmarks for different software products. You can go there and you can see exactly what they're doing in their tests and what's involved in that. But we can see the results for Joomla on different versions of PHP. Let's check that out. All right, here are some numbers here. And wait a second, these numbers are a lot lower than I saw before. Oh, sorry, these are the WordPress numbers. More about that in a second. Let's look at Joomla's numbers. Check this out. Here we have Joomla 4.3.3 tested on PHP 8.1, 274 requests per second. PHP 8.2, 265 requests per second. PHP 8.3, 341 requests per second. Yes, folks, Joomla 4.3.3 is 30% faster on PHP 8.3 than it is on 8.2. If speed matters to you, and it should for your site, you definitely want to be using a CMS that is keeping up to date on the current version of PHP, programming for that so you can get all of the benefits being offered by the latest version of PHP. Now, I told you we'd look back at those other numbers. Notice this. Joomla 4.3.3, 274 requests per second on 8.1. It is faster than WordPress on PHP 8.3. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.